Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix Roshade not working. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. In order to do this, what I would recommend first is uninstalling Roshade from your system and then coming across to roshade.com/download and re-downloading the program from here. So once you click onto the download button, it's going to take you across the page like this. Now this is like an advert. If you're looking into the top right hand corner, you just need to wait 5 seconds for the download link to appear. What you can then do is press onto skip, and that's going to start downloading Roshade onto your system. Now what you want to do is run the setup wizard. So you want to click onto the setup installation wizard here and then go ahead and click install to start installing this onto your system. So you just go ahead and run through, click next and then install, and it's going to go through and get everything ready for you. Now it doesn't matter if you use the free version or the pro version of Roshade. I know some people have been saying that the free version does cause problems now, but there is a little fix you can do after you install this to make sure that the Roshade does operate successfully. So once this is done, go ahead and click next and then close and follow. Then what's going to happen, you're going to get a quick pop-up with the creator here. So you can just get ready for that, and what you want to do is come to your desktop. So once you're on your desktop, now you can see we've got the Roshade launcher installed here. What you want to actually do is right click onto the Roblox player here and then click onto properties. So this is going to bring up a window like this. Now what you want to do, if you look at the top, you've got some different tabs. You want to click onto compatibility, and all you want to do from here, the settings section, you want to tick the box to disable full screen optimizations. Once that's done, go ahead and click apply and OK. And this should resolve the issue and allow you to use Roshade for Roblox. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.